Pachipamwe, let me ask you something. Can you speak your mother tongue confidently? Today is February 21st, International Mother Language Day. It is such an important reminder that our languages are more than just words. They are our story, our identity, our grandparents, our people, our culture. They are our roots. And I also know that many of us grew up understanding Shona, but when it comes time to speak, we hesitate, we are unsure. But reconnecting with your mother language, with your mother tongue, Ririmi Rwamai, does not have to be overwhelming. That's why I share little bits about the language, as well as resources to get you going. There's a new resource that's just recently come out that I think might be helpful, especially today. It's an app called Tose Sonke that helps people reconnect with African languages, namely Shona and Ndeipi. It makes practice approachable, you can learn at your own pace, you can focus on vocabulary. It even has a kids app that is focused entirely on the little ones. It's an extra tool that you can use if you're looking to rebuild your confidence in your mother tongue. Your mother tongue is not anything to be embarrassed about. It is something to reclaim. So today, for International Mother Language Day, I am choosing to speak Shona boldly. I'm going to call my sister in a little while and say to her, Hes uribo urise urkuite. Even if it's just one sentence a day, just start. What's your mother tongue? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're looking for a way to start practicing some of that Shona vocabulary, check out Tose Sonke. The link is in the description. Tonan.